Come in, sir.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. What's about you?
I'm also fine.
Great. Okay, please have some.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, may I have a resume, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. May I have a pen, please? Thank you. Now, Asha, tell me about yourself.
So my name is Asha Shrestha and my father's name is Mr. Haribal. He's a government sector employee and he works in Air Force MES Gorakhpur. I born and brought up at Gorakhpur and I have done my graduation through DDU Gorakhpur, and I'm currently pursuing MA and doing MCFA course from Shahi Market New Era. And I'm an honest, optimistic and hardworking in nature. I love to do cooking and I want to become a successful accountant. About my family, there is my parents with 2 brothers. That's it.
Okay. Why did you choose my company?
I chose your company because I think I have all those qualities which are necessary for this post. So I chose this profession.
Okay. And why did you choose this profession?
I have interest in this and I want to build a career in this, so I chose this.
Okay. If I do not select you, then what will you do?
If you not select me, then I will find my errors and I will rectify it next time.
Okay. After 5 years, where would you like to see yourself?
After 5 years, I would like to see myself at your place which you are sitting currently and asking the same questions from the other candidates.
Okay. Indirectly, you want to say that you want to just embezzle my post.
No, I want to become just like you.
So, do you know that what is the responsibility of this post?
Yes,
What?
the responsibility is very high and very responsible. You are in the post of HR, so you should be very responsible about selecting and about the training and about the picking the right candidates for the growth of your company. So it's a very responsible job.
Right. But you are doing the accounting course and you want to be an accountant and you want to go in HR field. So what is it? It's a contradict, don't you think that?
No, as an accountant, my responsibility I know very well. And being an accountant, the job of the accountant is also to select those candidates which help in the growth of the company. So your post will be very beneficial for me in that case.
Okay. Now, tell me about your any strength. What's your strength?
My strength. Okay, my strength is that I'm hardworking in nature and I'm an honest person.
Okay. Tell me about any incident when you shown that you were so hardworking in nature.
Hardworking in nature. Okay, when I'm in inter, my teachers had gone to the vacations. She had given me the responsibility of taking care of the class, and she had given me a topic for a certain period. So I have completed that topic in that period.
Okay. Now, what do you want to my company?
I want that your company provide me time to time training so that I can update myself and I can utilize my skills in the growth of your company.
And what do you want to my company? What do you want to my company? What will you give to my company? Sorry.
Yes, what will I give? I will utilize all my strength, all my knowledge, all my skills in the success and the growth of the company.
And what do you want to my company?
I want that your company provide me time to time training so that I can update myself and I can take a part in the growth of your company, in the growth of your success.
Okay. Now, what is your planning to make this class very decorative?
If you ask me about the decoration, then there are different ways by which we can decorate this class. Firstly, we can color it very brightly, and secondly, we can decorate it with motivational quotations and sceneries and flower pots and vases, etc.
Okay. What's your expected salary?
So, as per the company norms,
Well, what did you decide there?
should be like that I can easily survive in this city.
So, what should be?
It should be up to 8,000.
Up to means what?
Means
Up to 8,000 means there's a 1 lakh rupees also that is. So what's your expectation?
it should be 8,000. If it is 8,000, then I can satisfy myself.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions to us?
Yes.
What?
I want to ask the key for the success of this job.
Okay. Okay. When you get selection, but definitely we'll let you know what's the key section of that. Okay, to become success in this job. Okay. Now you can move.
Thank you.
You can move.